Good to see you. It's been a while since we talked, but hey, here we are. Today's video gonna be about Nintendo Switch, how to mod it, how to download other applications, how to download Android and these bad boys. Yeah, we always wanted to do that. Yeah, we invested in a horrible investment, but no, it might work, not gonna lie. But in today's video, we're gonna tell you how to download Android or modded games pretty easily with no hesitation. So first of all, we got a slight issue that this Nintendo doesn't actually support the mod XKJ7002. Any model that supports Ace XKJ wouldn't support these mods, but it's actually possible to just mod it, but it requires a chip. The chip isn't that nice, which requires of you to open that and just play around and remove some parts and join it together and place that back end back. It requires modification later on, but it actually works, not gonna lie. Second of all is if you got these versions, these are possible to mod, but other than that, I wouldn't recommend you to play around since they're they're bad. Not recommending it. Okay, so whoever's saying that you could install Android pretty easily in these devices, well, they're lying. Since it's not actually possible to just play around, do whatever you want. It requires lots of modifications. Installing Linux, it's not installing lots of stuff in it. But if you know what you're doing, you're gonna know how to do it. I'm gonna link up how to install Android on Nintendo Switch, which is quite legit. I've did it in multiple Nintendos, and it actually worked so well. It's not that smooth, not that it's gonna run 60 frames. It's gonna run jittery 30, 20, 10-ish FPS. You'd rather use this instead of what you expected. Second of all, does it run on Windows? Like, could you run Windows on it? Yes, but installing drivers, installing lots of stuff is a pain on the head. Like, it's actually pretty hard, but it's actually possible. So yeah, it's possible, but not that worth it. Is it worth it to just install modded games instead of playing around installing Android or Windows? Yes, since you're gonna have lots of options and well-optimized system for this actual device. If you installed Windows, you might have driver issues, Wi-Fi issues, port issues, keyboard issues, lots of stuff, especially with the display, since it's not quite big, you couldn't read it well. And if you're gonna install Android, well, it's possible, but you wouldn't have the smoothest since you're gonna run a pretty outdated version. And yeah, that's my recommendation of today. I'll link a few videos below of the Android and the Windows and how to install modded device on unpatched or patched versions to make it as simple as possible. That's just a follow-up of how to do it well, smoothly, no clickbait, and I just hate clickbaits. In the next video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve this part just sliding off just like that with no clips. I've solved it pretty easily and it doesn't just leave automatically. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.